Beach photo shoots come with unique challenges. The biggest? Sand. Not only is it a tricky sinking surface, but it's rough on your gear. Grains of sand can jam tripod legs, scratch internal parts, and make cleaning a nightmare. For smaller shoots that don't require large lighting setups, I found the perfect solution in this compact Platypod tripod system. And I'm giving you a sneak peek into Platypod's brand new tripod, which is currently only available now through our Kickstarter campaign. Hi, I'm Riley Arthur. This is Platypod TV. Having grown up on the beaches of the South Pacific, I know firsthand how challenging sand can be for cameras, lenses, tripods, and sand gets everywhere, scratching parts, sticking to crevices, and creating headaches for photographers. This setup can transform the way you approach shooting in sandy environments. Let's dive in. I was recently vacationing in Maui and set a creative challenge, photographing outrigger paddling clubs from a low angle. These clubs are a beautiful part of Hawaiian culture, and I wanted to capture them from a fresh perspective. Typically, paddling photos aren't taken so low to the ground, so this was an opportunity to experiment. Using the Platypod Delta, I could position the camera directly in the sand and achieve unique angles that would have been pretty difficult handheld. Since using this new tripod for the first time and wanting to shoot both stills and video, as well as paddling and general beach shots, I used two different setups. A Platypod Delta tripod with a Platypod handle mounted to a fall cam quick release mount using my Canon mirrorless camera. For the second setup, I used a Platypod Delta mounted to a Platypod grip and my iPhone. If your camera has a flip screen, go ahead and use it. Turn on the grid view to avoid any uneven skylines, especially when working on uneven sand. I use a 24 to 105 millimeter zoom lens for flexibility in framing. The Platypod's updated triangular shape provides stability on uneven surfaces like sand. It's an improvement over the previous rectangular Platypod Ultra tripod model. The compact size also makes it easy to slip into a beach bag and to quickly grab to avoid oncoming waves. Because this tripod is so compact, even with the feet extended, the Delta doesn't sink into the loose sand like traditional heavy tripods would. While shooting, a few paddlers asked me about the tripod, and I realized how easy this setup would be to bring aboard the boat. If you're curious about shooting from a moving watercraft, check out my lesson on taking video from a kayak. After you leave the beach, don't forget to give your gear a quick rinse with fresh water and let air dry to remove any excess sand and salt. It takes no time to clean, and I don't have to stress about sand inside my tripod because the sleek design doesn't have any internal parts. Low-angle beach photography isn't just for tropical locations. If Hawaii is not an option, totally understandable. Try capturing lifeguard towers, lobster nets, or other coastal scenes. Challenging yourself to find new perspectives can be incredibly rewarding, especially on vacation. If you're interested in this tripod, consider supporting its Kickstarter campaign, linked below. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like. It helps others discover our content. And if you use Platypod gear on a beach shoot, please tag us. We'd love to see your work. For more tutorials, insights, and demos, subscribe to our channel. You can follow me on Instagram at either or both of my accounts for more of my work. Until next time, stay creative, happy shooting, and I will catch you in the next frame. Mahalo.